CPU socket is a distinct mount used only for the CPU on the motherboard to ensure correct circuit chip insertion. The North Bridge links the CPU to very high-speed devices, especially main memory and graphics controller. Southbridge is an Intel chipset that manages the basic forms of input-output. Accelerated graphics port. It is a high-speed point-to-point channel for attaching a graphics card to a computer motherboard. PCI expansion slot allow your motherboard to connect with your PC's most critical components and provide key functionality. A memory slot or RAM slot is what allows computer memory RAM chip stick to be inserted into the computer. The CMOS battery powers your laptop's BIOS firmware, which is responsible booting up your computer and configuring data flow. Alternatively referred to as the F-panel or front panel connectors are system panel header controls a computer power button and LEDs. Every PC power supply has special connectors that attach to the motherboard, giving power to the system processor, memory, and all slotted add-on boards ESA, PCI, AGP. SATA controller. Serial ATA controller is a hardware interface that connects a hard drive to a computer's motherboard and manages or directs the flow of data. BIOS Basic Input-Output System is the program a computer's microprocessor uses to start computer system after it is powered on. Floppy Disk Controller (FDC) is specially designed chip that controls the reading and writing functionality of a floppy drive. Ports are type of interface which a peripheral attaches to or communicates with the system unit so the peripheral can send data to or receive information from the computer.